we're right in our planting season right now. We've planted probably over half of our crop. A third of the soybeans right now are exported to China. The soybean industry has been over in China since 1985. It has just grown a tremendous amount, especially in the last probably 8 to 10 years. We would hope that would continue, and we'd hope that even would grow some. We want the trade with China. We've worked with China for many, many years in soybeans, and so we want that to continue. I've been to China 15 times now, and so we're very interested in helping the Chinese and Chinese farmers learn more of the techniques and technologies that we use here in the United States. We're also doing a friendship China-U.S. friendship demonstration farm in Hebei province, and we'll do demonstration. We'll use many different companies' products there, and many different machineries and machines, and try to just have a very good demonstration, but also use that as a friendship, building a friendship between China and the United States. I believe that the United States and China will work out a good solution. I know it's the best for both countries that we work together and we continue our trade between China and the United States.